talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robins, and he's playing Batman. Freddy's gonna rob him. Yeah. I got the Glock in my robbery. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, I got the Glock in my robbery. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, she's fine. Wondering will she be mine? Walk past, I press rewind. See that ass one more time. And I got this soda. Remy boys that know it. Fast money don't slow up. No one can control it. Yeah, and I got this soda.
As you guys can see, there's some tracking now for Tigris and the actual storage lot over there. There's a lot of support beams down, and it's pretty cool. It's really like fantastic to see that there's some track just sitting around chilling all the time over there. And yeah, tracking's now over there. I'm sorry, I can't hold this for longer. This crane is so huge. And note, if I'm walking this way, you'll see it's more than like one side. God dang. Huge freaking crane, bro. Oh my God. Jeez, like, I bet you that's about like almost 200 feet worth of freaking crane and over Tigris. God damn. As you guys can see, Gwazi is still laying dormant on this side. I think either the right or the left side. We don't know. Guess and put it down in the comments below. What side is it going to be? Honestly, they started construction inside the station area, as I've seen. I'm going to try to get some footage of that before I leave to SeaWorld Orlando later on today. As much as I could see, Tigris was doing really great. And quite frankly, there's a huge crane nearby. I think that it could be for Tigris because they are ahead of time, but it could also be for Gwazi because the amount of height that's going to be included probably might be taller than Tigris. Note, it is 106 degrees. I mean, not 6 degrees, 106 feet As it's 106 feet, they only put like a couple more feet high, like 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 feet taller, but it could be up to that 200 range, but we can't estimate or tell you the exact range of that roller coaster. It's gonna be steel and wooden hybrid, of course, and all this stuff, but it's doing great. It's doing great. There's a little bit of construction happening inside. The cranes have moved. There's more cranes down in the Gwazi area of the building site. They have moved some paths and stuff, and the rest of the park down there is completely blocked off, so we can't get closer up footage. But this is probably the closest we can get until the 2019 season, where we can see probably even more, but we don't know. They could just be revamping and close this entire section off, because for sake, it is very, very small. So we just have to wait and see how Gwazi is gonna be. And in the meanwhile, enjoy some footage of Gwazi. Apologize for that music, but honestly, Alvin the Chipmunk sucks. But as you guys can see, the Back to the Future ladder has arrived to Busch Gardens Tampa. We do know that Busch Gardens Tampa and SeaWorld Incorporation and Universal are together. Basically, they are like pals, basically. Well, not like Disney and Universal, but here's the current state of Gwazi on the the left side. But yeah. Coming spring 2020, it's gonna be really cool. I'll show you a photo of what I think Hokage is compared to this. It's basically gonna be like Hokage's pre-drop, so I'll show you guys. But I'll invert it for the other side as well, so you guys can see. Guys, we finished the construction update for Busch Gardens Tampa. Make sure to subscribe to Roller Coaster Review. Click that notification bell, and click that. See you next year, Coaster Mom. Anyway, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and enjoy. See you guys after probably next year, guys. And there's gonna probably be January 1st to SeaWorld episode. See y'all later.